Hi everyone, I'm Wilson, Product Manager at IEI. The topic I want to present today is IEI 4K Uncompressed SDVOE solution. Now let's start. Here's the agenda of my presentation. First, I will introduce what is SDVOE, and then go through the features of our new product, ISDV 200CTR. Third, I will share some applications with you to thoroughly introduce our software, ISDV network video orchestrator. Now let me explain what SDVOE is. The full name of SDVOE is Software-Based Video over Ethernet. It is the last high-performance software-based AV over IP platform for control and the distribution of audio-vision system of Ethernet and fiber networks. Providing a software-based AV platform allows programmers, manufacturers, and software engineers to analyze customer needs in order to build new and interesting applications. Here is the key features of SDVOE. It provides zero-latency AV over IP solution for AV equipment. Its full stack and 7-layer solution provides approach to every layer of OSI network model from physical infrastructure to API. And IEI also provides comprehensive API with simple interface to control complex AV system tasks. About signal transmission, it provides full uncompressed transmission for HD and 4K AV signals via 10G Ethernet ports. It also supports multi-channel audio and independent audio routing, and I/O control signal and 8G Ethernet support. Next, let me introduce our new product, ISDV 200CTR, in detail. The ISDV 200CTR is a next-generation transceiver, which is unique in that it can be both an encoder and a decoder simultaneously, delivering ultimate performance, flexibility, and cost savings. Furthermore, it can transmit and receive up to 4K video simultaneously. ISDV also features a USB switch on the front side, so that user can directly configure the USB ports as remote and overclock ports. This setting could also be defined by software. To meet diverse network switch requirements, the ISDV supports both fiber and copper ports for servicing a range of networking needs. Signal transmission could be extended up to 40 km over single mode fiber to manage device easily. For easier management, the ISDV is designed with a LCM to show the IP address of the device, and the various LED indicators also provide on front panel for you to check the device status on site. Now let me introduce the application of the ISDV 200CTR for different vertical markets. ISDV transceivers can be configured and reconfigured as transmitter, receiver, or transceivers via the ISDV software. With the software, user-involved needs can be met in a cost-effective way without any further third party. And outboard processing equipment, the total saving over time can be massive due to its flexibility that reduces the cost of hardware upgrade. Moreover, the ISDV equips a powerful AV processing unit to enable real-time audio-vision functions. The ISDV software is provided for free, and it could be installed in customers' computer running with Windows 10, Ubuntu 18.04, or above, and QTS 5.0 version. User doesn't need to purchase another control system from IEI. The uncompressed data could be transmitted from 4K camera, and the user computer can on transmitted sites via 10G Ethernet copper and fiber. And user can based on their needs to configure the application. For example, we support up to 6x6 video wood, which can be processed with bezel and gap correction. And next is multi-view. It allows you to manage video and information from multiple sources through a single display for surveillance. The third one is KVM function. Support includes KVM access, USB HID, and IR control. The last one is matrix switching function. It can provide you more flexible and scalable solutions. Implements in digital operation rooms using a multimedia video streaming solution. ISDV can be used during image guide surgery or for storing critical patient information in the OR, where low latency 4K video streaming are required due to the particular environments. This solution is designed to optimize the OR workflow by allowing the doctor to access all data related to the operations, such as patient's information, image results, and treatment video from single centralized platform during each stage of the operation. ISDV provides doctor convenience access to information in operation room and enables administrator to record video for educational purpose. The application of video works in lecture room. ISDV is capable of handling high-quality image and real-time videos from multiple sources, which make it easy to remoting medical training. Moreover, video streaming can be broadcast to different hospitals and lecture rooms for remote consultations and doctor training. For the surveillance system, ISDV features uncompressed and high-resolution image transmission, and the friendly software UI could manage multiple cameras on a view monitors easily. It allows users to obtain real-time status and monitor different regions in order to provide help and worry on time. For live event scenario, real-time video and audio transmission is important. Staff need to often switch between multiple sources smoothly and ensure that image won't be burdened and interrupt on stage. ISDV provides great solution with uncompressed AV signals for live event. Audience could enjoy the live vision effect via huge displays. The last application is factory automation. Staff in control center could be obtained real-time state of each machine and monitor them to ensure that all machines are working well. ISDV provides low latency image solution to help users build their own smart monitor system in factory. And warnings can be issued immediately when machine is gone wrong. And now, let me introduce the software for ISDV. IEI ISDV Network Video Orchestrator. The software IEI provides could be installed in Windows 10, Linux Ubuntu 18.04 or above, and QNAP QTS 5 OS. Now, let me show you the UI in QNAP QTS file for reference. User can download the app from App Center directly and double-click the icon to launch it. Here is the features we provide include device configuration, operation mode selection, system status setting, log check, and download. First, the configuration setting. User can set up I/O and status of each ISDV system and set up a group to manage easily. Second step is mapping all of receivers displays to each ISDV system and confirm all of the settings are correct in device summary. In operation mode, user could configure the mode according to their needs, include video view, multi-view, or single view. In setting and log options, user could command the system to reboot, reset, or download log, and check the log in each system remotely. How to quick set up a 2x2 video wall. Let me briefly explain it. First, configure the display, and second, create a display array. Third, set up the receiver in the display array. Fourth, set up the transmitter and then apply the display setting. Now let me show you how to set up 2x2 video walls step by step. First, click configuration icon and then select device setup to list all of the ISDV devices. The MAC address of each device is used as a device name. Set up the type of HDMI by following the steps. First, select the device you want to set up, and then click the config icon and select HDMI to set up the type of device, include transceiver, transmitter, or transmitter, and apply the setting. After that, you can see the types of each device are changed. Now, let's create a quick 2x2 display array. First, click the display icon and create the display array. User can name this group and select 2x2 from the default template. User could also manually set the array size by entering the number of displays according to their need. And then click the Create button to create it. All receivers are listed on the left side. User can, based on their display placement, to mapping this receiver. Next, user need to decide the transmitter source. Select the application mode, and all transmitter source will be listed on the left side, and then put the transmitter you want to show it onto this array, and adjust the content display area. Finally, click the display icon to implement video wall. Another operation mode is multi-view. User can choose single receiver display and click the icon marks with 2 on the slide, and put the transmitter from the left to the display array, and adjust the display area of each transmitter. After that, click the play icon to implement multiple view on a single monitor. User can select the transmitter and click the setup icon on the button to enable the I/O, such as RS-232, USB, and IR port, and select the MAC address of the receiver. By saving all of the above settings, user can remote control the transmitter. For example, by enabling USB port, users can control the behavior of transmitter on the receiver side via keyboard and mouse. If users need to monitor the status of device, click the device summary. All information will be shown on one page, including status, temperature, type, firmware version, and MAC address. And click the global setting icon. User can download the logs to know the event occurred and reboot or reset the device remotely when getting a warning. Click the log icon. It shows the date and time, and the description of events to help users for further analysis. This is my presentation today. Thank you all for listening.